Hey everyone, this is a quick unboxing and unpackaging of the new Pagani design Hulk homage, I guess. So I haven't seen it yet. I just opened up the package, it just came in the mail. So this is the box. We've all seen, I'm sure in other videos you've seen it. Then I'll compare it to other watches that I have here. So here we go, I haven't seen it yet. Let's see what it looks like. Guarantee card probably means nothing. How to use a watch. I guess a cell phone holder or something. Some other random stuff. Cleaning cloth. It's actually pretty nice. Microfiber. And here we go. Put that to the side. Alright, so here's the watch. Looks pretty nice. Oh, and look at the bezel. That was kind of my main concern if it was going to line up, but this is perfect. So the green dial actually matches up pretty nicely with the bezel. Let me just take all this stickers and everything off and then we can take a better look. Alright, so here's the watch unwrapped. Bezel aligns. Date window is a little off, but it's not the end of the world. The sunburst style matches the bezel insert pretty well. Here's the sound of the bezel. So it's a little tinny, but clicks pretty nice, and it aligns perfectly. And there's like minimal back play. The end links are very nice. There's no play. And then the bracelet is completely brushed. The old ones had polished center links. This is much nicer. Here's a clasp. Clasp looks nice. The thing that I hate with these Pagani design clasps is this, whatever you call this thing, the buckle, because it's like really sharp. I don't know if you can see right there, but look at that. It's literally like a blade, so it can get underneath your nail and cut your skin. After a few several times, basically, it'll loosen up and it won't be as sharp anymore, but that's kind of annoying. It's got that quick extension thing. So yeah, this is the 40mm one. They made the 43mm one before, but that's gigantic. Has the NH35, and just for size comparison, I'll show you real quick. Here's my Daytona homage. Pretty close in size, and then here's my Black Bay 58. Pretty similar in size. And then let me just put on wrist real quick. So there you go. It's got the solid end links that kind of stick out a little bit, but they wrap around the curve pretty nice, so that's not gonna make the lug to lug too huge. Oh, and last thing, the Loom. I shined a flashlight on it for like 10 seconds and then turned the light off for this video and you couldn't see anything, so the Loom is garbage. Either on the hands or the dial. It's just terrible, so don't expect anything out of that. But overall, pretty nice. I got it for like $67 after tax on the 11/11 sale, and it came a month later. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. I actually have a steel dive coming in that was $10 more, and I'm going to compare that because that looks like it has really good lume, and I think it has a sapphire crystal that has anti-reflective coating, and this doesn't. So we'll compare that and see which one is better. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but the lume is, yeah, you can't really see it. It's pretty terrible. Basically non-existent.